Okay guys, so here we are back inside my computer and this is my home page. So let me just open up my Google Slides. Excuse me. And this is what we're going to talk about, how to promote ClickBank products. And I see this all the time, and this is for beginner affiliates. Why don't they do this? And as you can see, the arrow is pointing to a website. Okay, so these are the 6 things that you need to do as a beginner affiliate. Obviously a ClickBank account, a website which I'll talk about in a moment, a landing page, AR, an autoresponder, and obviously you need traffic, whether that's free or paid, and a good product to promote. Okay, so let's work through this. So a ClickBank account, most of you probably already know this, you may already have an account, but if you are completely new, then just come over to clickbank.com. I'll leave a link below this video in the description, and you come here and it says create an account. Click on that and it's all quite self-explanatory. You just fill the form in. I'm not going to do that now because that's beyond what I want to do in this video. And as you can see, you just put your name, your country, etc. And that's. Hey guys, sorry for the interruption, but I wanted to make sure that you saw the link further down this video that will be in the top right hand corner here to this affiliate funnel that's behind me right now. I'm going to go through the reasons why you should have an affiliate funnel and how you can build one quite easily yourself. So keep a lookout for the link in the right hand corner. It is to an unlisted video, so you won't find this anywhere on my channel. Okay, so again, just a little bit further down this video, click the link, check that video out and build yourself a converting affiliate funnel. That's all there is to it. And then once you've got an account, you can start to promote products. So let's just have a quick, while I'm here, let's just have a quick look for those that perhaps are completely new. And you come in, you go to the affiliate, back to the home page and click on affiliate marketplace, and you get a list of, over on this left hand side, a list of all the categories with the products that you can promote. And I'm just going to click this first search icon here just to bring up the most popular list for you to have a quick look at, and you can see what sort of payments you get. $68 a sale, 37, and these at the moment on this particular page are the top selling products on the whole of ClickBank. I mean, you can see one here, ClickBank University, $300. So you can do quite well here if you go about it the right way. But I see most people, most beginner affiliates, not doing this. Number 2, a website. Now, I personally recommend a website. You see a lot of information around about not needing a website to promote ClickBank products, and that's quite true, you don't. But you will come across certain platforms like Facebook, for instance, where they won't allow you to link direct to a product from ClickBank. So you need a website, and I would always recommend a website anyway, like mine, because it shows a little bit more credibility, plus it enables you to put a lead capture form on your page, which I'll talk about in a moment. And you have your own space on the web, and this is your website. You capture the email addresses, but you're providing credible, ethical information in exchange for this. No rubbish. That's the other thing. The days of just giving crappy products away free are long gone. You need to be congruent with what you're offering, and go about this, affiliate marketing like it's a business, and it is a business. It is a business if you approach it right. So, number two, website. I highly recommend that you get yourself a website, and it's your base, your bit of real estate online. Okay, so next, landing page. Now I just talked about that, didn't I? And this is my website. It's a one-page website at the moment. I can extend this if I want to, but for now it's just the one page, and it's a landing page. So people come here, they read this, hopefully they're interested enough, give me their email, and then I will send them valuable information in return for that. And if you sign up, you'll see exactly what I'm doing. So that landing page, any email addresses belong to me after that, because these people, you may have done it yourself, you may have signed up, you've given me permission by signing up. Okay, so the next thing, if you've got a landing page, you need somewhere then to legally keep all the email addresses that you collect. And that's where step number four is an AR, an auto responder. And that is a piece of software that once your visitor signs up here, they are redirected to an autoresponder, and I use Get Response, and this is in just the first page inside my account. I won't go any further inside my account, but you can see you got lists, reports, drafts. Won't explain that at the moment, but this is where you store your email addresses that you gather, and this is all legal and above board. Okay, and then from there you can contact people on your email list, because someone comes here, you send them to, let's say, information about a ClickBank product, it's very, very unlikely that that visitor is going to purchase straight away. So if you have their email address inside your autoresponder, you can follow them up with further emails and giving them further information, gaining trust in you. So then it's more likely that they will accept what you're saying about a product, go and have a look at it and purchase it. So that's the value of having a website, you own it, a landing page, you own it with an autoresponder, and you're collecting email addresses legally. So on to number 5. Traffic, getting visitors to your sites. Now this is a complete topic on its own, so I won't be spending much time on this, but basically 2 types of traffic: free traffic, paid traffic. And in my personal opinion, there's a cost to both, because free traffic takes time to build up, so you're investing your time, such as me with the YouTube channel. So that takes your time to make the videos, upload them, and it takes time for a YouTube channel to gather any pace, any momentum. And then you got paid traffic. I liken this to a little story years ago when I was a young lad. I had my first car, and of course it was a pile of rubbish, and it broke down one night, and I ended up with a mate having to push it. And to get that car moving required a hell of a lot of effort from both of us to get that momentum, to get it pushing along the road. And that's what I look at free traffic. It requires a lot of effort to get that momentum. But once you've got the momentum, one of us sat in the front, steered him, while the other pushed quite easily from behind. Okay, and the paid traffic I liken to a roadside service. You're paying monthly for that, and this is the same sort of thing. You actually have to pay for your traffic. And that's how I view it. You got the two sources there, and there's only you that can make that decision which route you want to go. You can go both, obviously, which is what I'm doing at the moment. I'm just concentrating on free because I want to concentrate on my YouTube channel, and at some point in the future then I'll supplement that with paid traffic. So let's go on to the last step that you need, and that's a good product to promote. And as I've said earlier, I've left a link in the description below and in the first pinned comment to product that I'm promoting, and you find out more information. If you've clicked through and signed up for my list, you'll find out what that's all about. But you need a good product that people will get immense value out of, and the product that I'm promoting, I think it's 30 videos in this product that I'm promoting, and it gives the viewer a real in-depth view into video marketing, basically. So that's, in a nutshell, the 6 steps that you need to complete to promote ClickBank products. And as I said in the beginning on the first slide, why do beginner affiliates, why don't they build a website? Because you're lazy. That's why. Because you've listened to so many wannabe gurus, fake gurus. You've probably read it somewhere, heard it somewhere, that you don't need to bother with a website. And yes, you don't, but that is very, very short-term thinking and a road to you failing online, basically. I'm working each day, and I'm working to build my website. I'm working to build my autoresponder list. I'm working at free traffic at the moment, and I've got a good product that I believe in to promote. And it all centres around me having my own website online that belongs to me, nobody else. Okay, so I would highly recommend that if you are an affiliate already and you haven't got your website, I would recommend that you actually go and get one now, today. And if you're thinking about becoming an affiliate marketer, start out this way, with a website. Okay, right, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you found this video useful. As I say, hit the subscribe button to so you can click the notification bell to keep yourself updated with more videos like this. So that's it for today. Hopefully I'll see you in another video. This is Mike from MikeLucasOnline.com. Bye for now.